How to find user ID in Wuthering Waves. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Are you trying to find your user ID in Wuthering Waves for adding friends, co-ops, or support help? Don't worry, your user ID is very easy to locate. First of all, open the Wuthering Waves game and log into your account. From the main menu, go ahead and tap on the circle at the top right corner and this will open the terminal page. In the terminal, you'll see your user ID right underneath your username. Your user ID is a long string of numbers. Simply go ahead and tap on the copy button to copy your user ID to your device's clipboard. Your user ID will be helpful while adding friends, joining co-op, contacting support, and account identification. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.